All right, hello, welcome back from break. Hope you had a good break. We finished up prior to breaks talking about conditionals, if statements. So again, there's kind of branches in code. And if you forgot what all that stuff is, you can review what we did um, before we left. Here's some videos on conditionals. And then for today, the 19th, we have just two new activities. One is to make a little password checking program, so you can kind of follow along with this video and program it while the video is running. You can pause it and program a little bit, and then unpause it and kind of check your work. So that'll be the first one. And the second one is just to practice with conditionals. So you'll click in here, and you will need a computer that can run Java. This isn't going to work on a Chromebook, so hopefully you have access to some type of computer. If not, you could do it next time you do have access to a computer. Um, but you can download this little thing. It might give you some error or something about being a harmful file, but I programmed it, so I promise I'm not interested in destroying your computer. So anyways, once you download it, you just hit keep and then run it or whatever. So you just gotta, wherever you download it, click on it and run it. You don't have to be inside of Eclipse to run it, you can just run it. And then it'll basically hopefully be self-explanatory. So if the color is red, I want to do Batman. Otherwise, I want to do Superman. So I'm going to Superman here. It'll keep track of my score. So I'm crushing it so far. And then once you hit 5, it'll get to a new one. So now if the suit is hearts, you want to do Batman. So Batman. So I'm killing it again, right? So now if the number is 10, and face cards are 10, aces are 11, I think. So number is 10, so face cards are 10, so I do want to do Batman here. And I'm just kind of sorting them. And so now if it says that the color is not red, then so hopefully you'll get the hang of it. But it's kind of a fun thing just to practice conditionals. I don't know, play it for 5-10 minutes, see what your record score is. Past years have had a racing class, and kids get up into like the 400s or 500s and stuff like that. So give it a shot. Eventually it'll start to ask you about Iron Man. So I think that's it for that day's activity. Just a little more with conditionals. As always, I'm just email away if you have questions. All right, thanks for watching.